This is pre-calculus. We're gonna study sum and difference formula this video. What is the sum and difference formula for the sine and cosine? Guys, sine u plus b. This is angle sum. Clearly understand it. Sum of two angle of sine. You're gonna write down sine u, cosine v, cosine u, sine v. Same thing is the difference of angle. You're going to find the sine value, sine u, cosine v, minus cosine u, sine v. What's common mistake you're going to make? Guys, very carefully see that. Sine u plus v, this is the sum of angle, cannot distribute. For example, sine 60, 60 gonna be, you're gonna say 30 plus 30. So sine 30, you know that this one is square root to 3 over 2. Sine 30 plus sine 30 gonna be 1.5. Sine 30 gonna be 1.5. That's the one. So you cannot, this one is the same. Another way say sine 60, sine 30 plus 30. It's not sine 30 plus sine 30. Guys, make sure you cannot distribute sine. That's the function, guys. Here is a sum and difference formula for cosine right there. You don't have to memorize them. You can use a formula sheet when you take an exam. For example, 15. So here's the things why we're gonna using some different formula is we cannot find the cosine 15 without calculator, but we're gonna using 45, 30 special angle. We know that. So we're gonna do the sum algebra, figure it out. How can make a 15 with a 45 is 30? So there is another one way. You're gonna see here 65, no, 60. Another student one 60 minus 45. Still works. It's not one way, but here's the idea is you're using 45, 30, 60, very special angle, you're gonna use it. So we're gonna find the cosine 15. Cosine 15 is cosine 45 minus 30, that's cosine 15. Cosine here, cosine 45, cosine 30, plus cosine sine 45, sine 30. Okay, that you find it. Cosine 45 meaning is what? That's the square root 2 over 2. Here is the cosine 30, square root 3 over 2. Sine 45, square root 2 over 2. Sine 30, 1.5. First one, 2 times 2, 4. Square root 2, square root 2, square root 2, square root 3, square root 6. 2 times 2, 4. Square root times 1, square root 2. That's gonna be square root 2, 6 plus square root 2 over 4. That you're gonna find it. Okay, that's first one. Second one is, this one is the second one which we're gonna using radian. Radian is the same idea. So special angle for radian is, you remember correctly, here is a pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3 in the first quadrant angle. That's what you're gonna use to find the combination of 7 pi over 12. I put there 7 pi over 12 gonna be pi over 3, pi over 4. That's you're gonna make it. So how can find it? So we wanna find sine 7 pi over 12, sine pi over 3 plus pi over 4, sine u plus v, sine pi over 3 cosine pi over 4 plus cosine pi over 3 sine pi over 4. That's the sum formula for the sine. So you have sine pi over 3 is gonna be square root 3 over 2. Cosine pi over 4 is square root 2 over 2 plus cosine pi over 3 is 1.5. Sine pi over 4 is square root 2 over 2. So you have times it, square root 6 over 4 plus square root 2 over 4. This one is square root 6 plus square root 2 over 4. That you find it. Okay? So first one is we practice sum and difference angle for sine cosine. All right. Let's practice this one by yourself. Let's thinking about 195. You're gonna using special angle 195. Can you find it? I'm gonna make here 225 minus 30. But you're gonna make other way, make a combination. It's up to you. Okay? So I'm gonna using this one, guys. So sine 225 minus 30. Only special angle. So this one is sine. Different formula for sine. Sine 225 cosine 30 minus sine 30 cosine 225. Okay? So sine 225, that's the quadrant 3, negative square root 2 over 2. Cosine 30, that's the square 3 over 2. Minus sine 30 is 1.5. Cosine 2 to 5 quadrant 3, that's the negative square root 2 over 2. Let's simplify this one is negative square root 6 over 2 times 2 is 4, negative positive square root 2 over 4. Okay, how about this one? 5 pi over 12. So 5 pi over 12. So which combination to make a 5 pi over 12? I'm thinking about this one is you have thinking about here is 2 pi over 3 pi over 4. 3 pi over 3 pi over 4 doesn't make 5 pi over 4, okay? So this one, like the subtract, it makes sense or not. You're gonna play with all the special angle to make the angle they are given. So this one is 12, this one is 12 denominator. Top is 8 pi minus 5 pi, 3 pi. So that's the 5 pi over 12. So you cannot guess right away, but just manipulate a couple of angles. So this one is cosine 5 pi over 12 gonna be cosine 2 pi over 3 minus oh no, sorry, guys, sorry. See? Okay, minus pi over 4. That's what we're going to do it, right? So this angle going to be right here. Cosine 2 pi over 3, that's difference formula, times cosine pi over 4 plus sine 2 pi over 3 times sine pi over 4. 2 pi over 3 is second quadrant. That's the negative, okay? Negative 1.5. Cosine pi over 4, first quadrant, that's the positive, square root 2 over 2, plus 2 pi over 3 is quadrant 2, sine is positive, that's the square root 3 over 2, times sine pi over 4, square root 2 over 2. So you have negative square root 2 over 4 plus square root 6 over 4. That you find there, okay? Next one is, oh, looks so weird. I'm gonna write alpha gonna be, you're gonna using u, whatever you want. Some value of u is 25, v is 35. Then you're gonna see we're going to find the value of this trigonometry. Sine u, cosine v, cosine u, sine v. This meaning is sine, some formula for sine, u plus v. That's the formula gonna say that, right? So u plus v, 25 plus 35, that's the 60. So this value gonna be sine 60. What is the sine 60, guys? That's the square root of 3 over 2. That's another way used on this sum formula. Okay, we gonna study the some different formula for tangent. Tangent has this form, tangent u plus v, tangent u plus tangent v, 1 minus tangent u times tangent v, tangent u minus v, tangent u minus tangent v, 1 plus tangent u tangent v. We are not writing the formula, guys. You can look up the textbook or other resources. They're going to show how to prove this formula. Let's practice this one, guys. So here's 165. Key idea is you have figured it out this one. Somehow 165 is 120 plus 45. That's you have figured it out. So we're gonna using this one. When you see it, how can find this trigonometric value of 165? So tangent 165 meaning is tangent 120 plus 45. One more time, guys. That's not only one way find, guys, 165. So this one is, some formula say tangent 120, tangent 45, 1 minus tangent 120, tangent 45. So how can find it? Tangent 120, second quadrant, negative, plus tangent 45 is 1, 1 minus square root of 3 times 1. So you have negative square root of 3 plus 1, 1 negative, negative, positive, 1 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3. You can stop there, guys, okay? Let's go to 55. 255 is 300 minus 45. Another way you're going to do it, guys, okay? So 300 minus 45, so that's going to be tangent 255 tangent 300 minus 45. So this one is a different formula. So this one is tangent 300 minus tangent 45. 1 plus tangent 300 times tangent 45. So tangent 300, this is quadrant 4. That's still negative, right? So negative square root 3. Excuse me. Minus tangent 45 is 1. 1 plus negative square root of 3 times 1. This one is negative square root of 3 minus 1. 1 minus square root of 3.